If you have a wart, rest assured, because with Compound W NitroFreeze, you can treat warts quickly and easily in just 3 steps. First, activate the pen by starting with the cap on and turning the pen 1 full turn until you hear a click. This is a one-time activation. Now NitroFreeze is ready for use. Step 1. Place the pen on a table with the cap facing down. Push the pen downward continuously for just 2 seconds and listen for a hissing sound indicating activation. Step 2. Remove the cap. The applicator tip should have a frosty appearance. If not, repeat step 1. Step 3. Immediately press the tip firmly against the wart and leave pressed for a maximum of 20 seconds on hands, fingers, or arms, and a maximum of 40 seconds for plantar warts on bottom of feet. For most people, the wart should fall off within 10 to 14 days. If the wart hasn't diminished after 14 days, repeat steps 1 through 3. Clear, touchable skin is within your reach. Compound W, the touch of science.